Ooh, yeah, here we go. This is what I was wanting to see. All right, this is the turpentine bush. The Ericameria latifolia, but look at that. Look at that. You know, talk about, you know, a natural bonsai specimen or Yamadori. This is like what we get out here in the southern Nevada, in the desert. You know, mainly inspiration because, say, like these roots go way, way down and they're very fussy type of roots. But again, like these guys are getting shade. Well, the sun is kind of like moved further, but you know, you get the idea. It's like kind of like their own little microclimate. But you can kind of tell like where the sun actually hits it. You know, it's almost like a one side thing going on here. It's such a beautiful plant though. Yeah, and the reason why they call it turpentine bush, rub this, smell it. It smells very oily, turpentine-y. That's just their way of, you know, conserving the moisture inside of the plant. But just imagine how old that thing is. That's the beauty of this type of plant. And people don't really like to see that. They like to see just like this cute little, you know, bush like that. That's the creosote. But the creosote will end up looking like that, scraggly and everything like that. But it's just amazing like that these things can survive here on less than an inch of rainfall a year. We're the second driest desert in the American continent, so. All right, we found a tree. The catclaw acacia, or Vachellia greigi, or Acacia greigi. Probably like one of the furthest north acacias in North America. The cool thing about these, they're nitrogen fixating, so it just has like some nodules that is in the soil and changes it into nitrogen, so it actually have stuff to grow. That's why it's so nice and green. And then you get seed pods on them, really cool, and actually very easily to germinate. But if the bugs get to them, then you can't really get them. So this is really cool though. See, so there's your tree in the desert. Now we'll go in here. Even bigger catclaw acacia, probably like maybe 8 foot tall. See, get it in the right spot, right location. Yeah, of course. Nice little cascade waterfall coming through here. Water comes here. Ooh, and a bonus, some ephedra. Yeah, so yeah, it's a nice little oasis. And then another turpentine bush, Ericameria latifolia. Really beautiful form on that too.